Hello guys, my name is Dr. Varun and here I am back with another day with 30 more important topic in the NEET 2025.
Chalo, let's complete it.
In today's video, we're gonna see about the biomolecules. Now, one of the most feared chapter by the NEET student is the biomolecules because NCERT is khichdi. So how to deal with it? In this video, I'm gonna help you out with it. Even I will help you out how to remember certain facts and the most important topics of it. Okay. Now, so we're gonna see that how to study the biomolecules. So I have already made an analysis that what you have to keep in your mind. First of all, what are biomolecules? These are the substances which is present inside our body, inside our cell. So first, if we want to know that what are these different things, chemicals present in our body, so we need to analyze them. So the first thing that you will do is the analysis. After analysis, we found that these substances as the major biomolecules are present, except then this other substances, inorganic substances present, but for us the organic substances are there important for us. So in this we have to study about the carbohydrates, we have to study about amino acids, we have to study about proteins, we have to study about lipids, nucleic acid and the enzymes. So let's just see that in this order only. So what would be the order for our study? Carbohydrates, amino acids, proteins, lipids, nucleic acid and the enzyme. Moving on, the first thing was analysis. So analysis in your, I am going with the latest, referring the latest NCERT for it. So it starts from page number 104. In this, you have to do the topic 9.1, which is stating that how to analyze a chemical composition. Once you have done it, then you have to go to the page number 108. On that, you have to study 9.3 topic biomacromolecules, which is connecting with it. Now, once you have done it, come back to page number 105. And in that, you have to study the first paragraph, which is talking about what? Talking about one another method of analysis of the biomolecules. When you complete it, go to page number 108 and study topic 9.2, which is telling that more than these biomolecules like carbohydrates and all which we're going to study, there are secondary metabolites also present, which you have to just remember. Once you are done with the analysis, the first topic was what? Carbohydrates. So we will see that what about carbohydrates given in NCERT. So in NCERT, in biology, not in chemistry 12th, okay, they have given it elaborately. Okay, so they have given what? They have given you the diagram on page 107, which is showcasing you what? The basic form of the carbohydrates, that is monosaccharides. So you have to remember the diagram of it because it will later on even work to make the other biomolecules. Okay, and then you have to go to the page number 110 of your NCERT and study about 9.5 polysaccharides. Polysaccharides are super important for your examination. It will come in your paper, already telling you. Okay, moving on to the amino acids, next topic. In amino acids, you have to go to page number 105 again, and this time on the very last paragraph of it. At very last paragraph of it, continue to the next page 106 for the first paragraph, and on page number 107 you have 3 diagrams of 3 amino acids. Okay, so this you have to do. With this, your amino acids completed. Amino acids join together to form the protein. So the next topic comes the proteins, which we have to study. So you have to go on the page number 109, that is, and you have to study the topic 9.4. Moving on, you have to go to the page number 111 and 112, where you will be studying the topic 9.7, telling you about structure of proteins. Moving on, after that you will be studying about the lipids, which are the fats. So you have to go back again to the page number 106 and you have to study second paragraph, and in front of it on the page number 107 you have what? Diagrams of different like lecithin, phospholipids, triglyceride and all of those things present with respect to lipids on it. Then you will study about the nucleic acid. In nucleic acid, you have to first study on page number 106, which is in the third or the last paragraph of this chapter, and then you have to, that page, and then you have to go to page number 107 where you will study diagram. After that you will study the nucleic acid 9.6. I forgot to tell you that lipids is the second most important topic in this chapter after the what polysaccharides. Moving on, the last most talking enzyme, which definitely one question coming, and in that also the foremost important is cofactor. After that the factors and the enzyme classification, okay, which is the priority order of studying, and then you will go back to the all the topic. So here you have to study enzyme 112 to 118, topic 9.8 and its subparts also 9.8.1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6, okay, whatever the subparts it has, you have to study. Now in this, all the tables, all the diagrams, everything is important. There's a one table with respect to analysis which is given on page number 109, which has what? It has different types of thing. All of these structures that we have made it, all of these, that how much amount they are present. For this a table is given, and I just find out a very interesting way or a trick of remembering it, or else you will forget the values of it. So let's just do that thing, and that's the most important thing I want to share with you. So first we will write about what? We will write about the substance. Okay, that was substance, component or substance. Okay, so substance / component, whatever you want to call it, and you have to percentage of occurrence in the cell, okay, with respect to cellular mass. Okay, so first one is what? The most highest number is what? Water. How much water is present? Water is present close to 70 to 90% depending upon the cell. So we are taking upon 70. So rest 80 we have to find it. Then after water, okay, so if someone is asking, start with it. Everyone want water. And if they want water, so water, after that what? They will pass urine. So they will do what? After drinking water, they will pass urine. Okay, so urine will be passed. P for what? Proteins. So second most important is proteins. Teens, they are saying that 10, that is what? 10. So it will be what? 10 to 15% that will be present. So second most component is this proteins. After proteins, the next one is the nucleic acids, because proteins end with N, so you have to study from it. There is what? Nucleic acid. Now nucleic acids, okay, now see, in nucleic acids what we have 5 digits, we have yes, C is also, we have 7 digits. So they will be what? They are 5 to 7%. Now after nucleic acid we have the next component, that is carbohydrates. Okay, so next after this is we have carbohydrates. Now carbo, C. So C component A, B, C. So it is at the third position. So this will be 3rd%. After this comes what? Lipids. Now see, in lipids how many I is there? There is 2 I's, so 2%. And the last one is the ions. How many I is in the ions? 1, so 1%. This becomes your table ready. It can come in the form of graph also, maybe. Okay, to like if they really want to make it very conceptualized, which they are not making. Okay, so this is one such way of remembering the things which will be tough to you. Read everything. All the tables are very important topics. Moreover, the most important topics about from the NEET biology syllabus, I will share it with you on this channel on 15th of April. So don't forget to subscribe to me. Make the subscription bell on so that you get the notifications also. And that's all for this video. I hope if you like this video, give it a share with your friends, or you don't even share it. with your friends. So that's all for this video. I will take over. Thank you.